Hello, in this video I'll show you how I make this container for 3D printer. Here is the body and here is the cover. It is used to carry the 30mm discs. 1 dozen, 12 pieces, and then we can cover it. It's for the disc shooter's toys. Okay, let's get started. First we create a new part, and then we create a sketch on the XY plane. We draw a circle from the center point, give a diameter of 32mm. Okay, we close this sketch, and then we make a pad from it. And the length I want it to be 41mm. Okay, and then we select this pad, and I select the top surface, and then I use the thickness function. Make the thickness to be 0.6mm. Okay, so I got this shell. Now I create a new sketch on the XZ plane. I can turn on this view section so I can see the inside borders. Okay, so I need a guideline here. This. Here. Okay. I create an arc. Okay. For this radius, I can make it 0.4. Okay. I need to use a line to close it. Right click. Okay. Close. Now I use this revolution to make it a full circle. Okay. So I got this. Now we select this revolution feature, and I use the linear pattern. I want one at the bottom too. I choose the vertical sketch. I reverse the direction. Here I can see it's outside it, so I make here I think 40.2mm is okay. See here, it's flat at the bottom. Okay. Then I select the top surface and create a sketch there. I draw an arc from the center. Give it 45 degree. Then I draw another. Also 45 degree. Okay. Just want this to be one inside this circle and the other outside it. Then I use the line to close it. Okay. Now we make a pocket function. 14.2 is okay. We select this pocket feature. And we'll use the polar pattern. The default is one circle of 2 counts. That's okay. So with these 2 pockets here, it's like this. I can use 2 fingers to hold all this. Out and put them in. Easy to carry the whole dozen. Out and in. Okay, now we turn off this body and we create a new part body. Rename it to the cover. We create sketch on the XY plane, circle, make it 34 millimeter. Close, make a pad, 3 millimeter. Okay. And on top surface, we create another sketch. Give it 32, 1, 2. Okay. And make a pocket. Depth should be 2.4. Okay. Now I create a new sketch on the XZ plane. I turn on this view section so I can see the inner borders, and I need the guideline here and here. Okay, draw an arc here. Okay, to constrain this radius to 0.41. Okay, and I'll also define the distance from this point to this point, make it 0.4. Okay, I use a line to close it. Okay, we close it, and then we create a groove of it. So here we have this groove for the lead here. Okay. So we select the last feature and we can use file and export as STL, so we can use it in 3D printer software. So here is the part after we import into the Bamboo Studio, and we can slice it. You can see that it costs only 4 grams of the material, and I recommend we use the PETG material for this. Okay, thank you for watching.